Ano ba?
Sir, natap din yung just recently na pag-ambush sa isang municipal engineer ng Sheriff Saidon.
So we have to look into that because frankly, parang hindi ko masyadong nalaman yun eh. So you have to check that. We have to check that through our police reports na nandoon. Tignan natin kung ano tumutulong, kung work-related man, kailangan malaman natin. Kung family feud man, kailangan malaman natin so that we can address that problem in a very accurate manner.
Mensahe ng ating Chief Minister, siguro sa atin, sa lahat ng ating mga kababayan na naging matagumpay, na naidaos itong ating dialogue.
So salamat naman sa inyo, mga bini, at least nandito kayo na parang kasama sa paghahanap ng peace na sitwasyon, peace and order na sitwasyon. Because media has really a very important role in informing our people what's going on in our community. So una, nagpapasalamat kami sa inyo. Pangalawa, nagpapasalamat kami sa 6ID for this very good arrangement and opportunity that they have rendered to me and to the mayors so that they can voice out all their concerns regarding municipalities. So with this, lahat-lahat ay pasalamatan natin sila. Particularly, our nasa taas ng Panginoon, kailangan pasalamatan natin because without Allah, without the Panginoon, mahirapan din tayo sa lahat-lahat ng mga gagawin natin. So, ganun lang. Assalamualaikum.
Okay, yan po ang ating...
Good afternoon to everyone.
Maraming salamat po.